In this video, we will guide you through how to cut through object in Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, select the object that you want to cut. So this can be any mesh or object. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show it with this particular default cube. So just select it by just clicking on it just like so. And once selected, just press the tab key on your keyboard to go into edit mode. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and change the viewpoint so it's easier for us to cut. So once that we have done that, we can just go ahead and press the letter K on our keyboard, and now you will notice that our cursor has been successfully changed into a little knife icon. At this point, you can just go ahead and start drawing your cuts. So let's say I want to cut it from here. So I'll just select the point, and now once you hit enter, you will notice that the cut is not all the way through. So now we have to first enable the cut through. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo it by pressing Ctrl Z on the keyboard and change the viewport. Now the first thing that you need to do is press K key on your keyboard and press the letter C, and you will see now the cut through will be successfully activated. This allows the knife to pass through the entire mesh and not just faces. Now go ahead and start drawing your cut. So let's say I want to create a cut something like this. And once that you have finalized your cut, you can just go ahead and hit enter to finalize the cut. And now when we move around, you will see that we have successfully created two separate objects. And now the mesh is divided, but both parts are still connected as one object. So now we need to separate them. Now switch to face selection mode by pressing the 3 key on your keyboard, or you can just go ahead and just click on these particular icons to switch to face selection mode. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and start selecting your face. So as we wanted to separate the cube into two parts, and this is the particular cut that we have added, we're just gonna go ahead and select the upper part. So I'm just gonna select upper part just like so, and now you will see the upper part will be successfully highlighted. And once that it has been highlighted, you can just press the P on the keyboard, and from here just choose selection just like so. And now in the scene collection, you will see it has been successfully separated. And now when we go to the object mode by pressing the tab key on our keyboard, we can just go ahead and select the upper part, and now you can see we can select it. And when we press G key on the keyboard, now you will notice that we can successfully move around it as a separate part. This is very useful when you want to divide a model into parts or create precise cuts. And that's it. That's how you cut through objects in Blender using knife tool. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.